came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Sorry, unmute yourself, Anand. We can't hear you.
Navika, I was doing Rahul Gandhi. The mic was already unmuted.
Okay.
This is the extent to which I am not even allowed to follow my great youth leader Rahul Gandhi. खुद माइक म्यूटेड है और चिल्ला के कह रहे हैं कि मेरे खिलाफ साजिश हो रही है. But you know, as I say, he is an industrial scale liar. The only thing lower than his credibility is his intelligence. And you can't even say Rahul learn something from your sibling. She is worse. जो सुधांशु जी ने अभी बता दिया है. जाए तो जाए कहां? But let me just state out the facts out here. जो कि राहुल गांधी के एडवाइजर्स, मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है उनकी आईक्यू राहुल गांधी से भी कम है, क्योंकि उनको कम से कम ये तो फॉरवर्ड करना चाहिए था. देयर इज अ पुलिस एक्ट अंडर विच एवरी पब्लिक डिस्टर्बेंस इज टू बी कंट्रोल्ड. इट इज द मोस्ट क्लोजली मॉनिटर्ड थिंग. देयर आर 3 stages. The first stage was Section 144 is imposed. उससे काम नहीं हुआ. The protesters illegally started marching towards an area which was very heavily secure zone, and Section 144 was imposed. The second stage is tear gas. उससे कुछ नहीं हुआ. लाठी चार्ज, उससे कुछ नहीं हुआ. Third stage, even the Supreme Court has allowed non-lethal and less lethal force to be used. And that is exactly what was used. Now, the contention of Rahul Gandhi, the great Rahul Gandhi, is कि Amit Shah ordered it. अरे भाई, he's the home minister. There is a police act. The people on the ground, the police officers, the commissioners, they are the ones who would order this. Why would Amit Shah come in? And secondly, when you're saying he ordered for students to be shot, I'm sorry, time and again Rahul Gandhi gets away with this incendiary, blasphemous statements because my elder brother and people like Sudhanshu ji allow him to escape. अभी भी देखना, उस पे केस नहीं करेंगे स्लैंडर का, कहेंगे बच्चा है, बच्चों से गलती हो जाती है. द फैक्ट ऑफ द मैटर इज व्हेन इट इज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इन द पुलिस एक्शन, पुलिस मैनुअल, दैट लेस लीथल, नॉन लीथल फोर्स कैन बी यूज्ड. व्हाई आर राहुल गांधी एंड अदर्स alleging that this was an attempt to murder? He is still saying it was culpable. What do you mean the culpable thing is here? You are adhering to what the police manual says. Otherwise you refute me. आज रिफ्यूट कर दो कि ये स्टेप्स फॉलो नहीं हुए. तभी कह रहा हूं नाविका, दिस इज अ नॉन डिस्कशन. द ओनली सेविंग ग्रेस इज that for a change, first time I am seeing a congressman on the panel, Mr. Sangma, who is not a dynast, and he is so much more intelligent immediately by virtue of not being a dynast than Rahul Gandhi. 3 cheers for Mr. Sangma.
Absolutely.